Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to download videos from Twitter directly to your phone's gallery. Ever stumble upon an amazing video on Twitter and just wished you could save it directly on your phone? Well, today is the lucky day because I've got the perfect solution for you. First things first, open the Twitter app on your smartphone. Find the tweet containing the video that you want to download. Tap on the tweet to expand it. Look for the share icon. Tap on it to reveal tweet options. From the options that appear, select Share Tweet Via or Copy Link Tweet to get the video's link. Once you've copied the link, it's time to head over to your web browser. Click on Chrome and type in sstwitter.com. Again, sstwitter.com. Paste your link here and then click on download. You might get some ads, just click away from the ads. After processing, the site should offer download options. Select your desired video quality and tap on download. The video should start downloading directly to your phone's gallery and you should get this notification. There you have it, folks. A straightforward way to download videos from Twitter straight to your phone. Enjoy having your favorite videos at your fingertips. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please share to someone and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you. Bye bye.